What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Welcome to Trade with Tyler. Today we're going to be going over DGLY and the stock ticker. This stock has a 9.63 million share float, so it's under our 30 million optimum. That's what we're looking for. I do have a little news snippet for some fundamentals. Let me go ahead and read this really quick. DGLY, which develops, manufactures, and markets advanced video recording products for law enforcement, is pleased to announce the expansion of the company's patent portfolio to include their new patent 732. The 732 will allow for a device and software to interface with breath analysis device and the company's digital video recording devices to capture metadata for law enforcement officers when conducting traffic stops, specifically field sobriety tests. So that's some good news. The fact that they got their patent accepted, that's definitely why this stock exploded from about 84 cents all the way up to $1.71 today. So yeah, let's definitely keep that in mind. But let's go ahead and get right into the technicals to keep this short and sweet. We got our resistance up here at $1.71, and we got our support down here at $1.09, and we got our median right about, I'd go ahead and put this at about $1.41, about half of that. Okay, so for this one we see, we shot up from about 85 cents to $1.71, hitting the high of the day, and then we pulled back. It did attempt to make another go, but there's a big seller up here obviously that was not gonna have that happen, and it sold back down to 109 here before finding a little support and just range in that same spot for the rest of the day, sitting at $1.16 towards the end of the day. This shaded area is aftermarket here. We are on the 15-minute chart, so each one of these bars is 15 minutes worth, in case you didn't know that already. Now, what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow on this one is I'm going to be looking for a bullish play. We are sitting below the VWAP here, so I take that in consideration. Most buyers that bought up here are now underwater and they're looking to sell. We're below the moving average, so it has a more bearish outlook. Even though we had this big jump, the structure is starting to break, so we got to keep that in mind. It's still staying strong on 109, so I'm not saying it's over, but this 109 level is basically holding the structure together here. Now, what I want to see tomorrow, what I'm going to do is, since we did fall so low, I need to see a strong return of that momentum. I need to see us do multiple things here. I need to see us break back above the moving average, back above the VWAP, back above the median here, $1.41.50 about, or $1. Sorry about that. We want to see it break above this $1.41, and then for me personally, some people would think this would be a good time to take a trade, and you probably could do it, but for me, I'm looking for the best potential. So yeah, you can take a trade here. I would definitely watch for a break of 141, look for the retest off this level, and if you do want to trade it from this level, set your alert here. But for me personally, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to set an alert here at 171, and then what I want to see is I'm not going to watch this stock at all until this alert goes off. Once this alert goes off, if it's tomorrow, then that's great. Once that alert goes off, then I'll be watching really hard. I'll have it open and everything, because I'll get alerted by email, by pop-up, by app, so I get alerted everywhere. So I'll be watching, and then what I'm going to look for next is, obviously I'm not just going to hop in the trade after the alert goes off. That's not what you do. And if it just keeps going, don't hop in by getting euphoria, because what's going to happen next is, yeah, it might go up here, but then it's going to have a sudden drop, almost guaranteed when you enter. So that's just not a good way to trade. So yeah, definitely don't enter if it just keeps going. We want to see it break above, and then we want to see a slight pullback, even if it's within 1 minute, within 30 seconds. we want to see it just pull back slightly as a breather. We need to see a breather. And then as long as we don't go back down here and we stabilize, and then you have, you know, your confirmation, whatever your confluence factors are. For me, it's level 2. I'm watching volume, candlesticks, and it just depends. I need to have that gut feeling on the setup. That's my very last thing. So again, once I see it break above this 171, I have my alert here, it's set. Once I see it break and retest off this 171, I look to wait, and I don't enter yet. Still, I don't even set my order until I see it completely stabilize. You know, all my confluence factors looking good, like I just said. And then what I do is I have my order. Once all that stuff's good, I set up my order, and I set it right above that pullback point, wherever it is. For this example, it's right here. That way, when that momentum returns, I get into the trade right away and ride that momentum up to this 210 area, instead of trying to like get in up here, you know, and then, you know, it'll go up a little bit and then fall back down on me. You always try to get the best entry. So that's what I'll be looking for. This is the play I'm looking for. For me, the most important level is 171. Obviously, at 141, there will be an opportunity, but I would definitely expect some strong resistance here, as the seller up here does not want it to go past 171. So it's going to take a lot of volume and a lot of buyers, retail buyers, right? Now I know most of you don't short this stock, or don't short stocks. I'm not planning on shorting this stock, and I don't think it's a good idea to short it. The short was right up here at 171 when it got rejected, and it came back up and got rejected again. This is where you would have entered, right here. But I would definitely, if you're short or if you're holding stock or whatever the case may be, I definitely watch out for that 109 level, because a break below there, and if the retest with support doesn't bring us back up, if we get rejected back off this 109 level, then I would definitely expect us to go back down to where we came from at, you know, this 88 cents area. So I definitely look out for this, but you know, the main short was over here, right here, really, off this medium. When it, you know, broke through, it came back up, got rejected. That was the best play right there. To get this, you have to be really, you know, lucky and on point. Lucky mainly. And so definitely, if you're holding stock or you're looking to go short, watch that 109. I'm not going short. I'm looking to go long. I'm probably not gonna risk it here. I highly doubt it. I'd much rather wait till it got up here and broke back above 171, whenever that is. I set an alert so I don't have to watch the stock until that does happen. All right, so I hope this video helped you. If it did, hit that like button and subscribe right away. Click that bell, and then share this video with your friends on StockTwits, Facebook, and Twitter. I really appreciate that. Anybody that's looking to trade, this video will definitely help them out. And make sure you guys have a wonderful day. I will see you guys later. Peace.
Hey there, you must have liked that video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like that one.